Hey there! Today we're releasing a big update, and I wanted to reach out to thank you for being part of our journey. At Chartnote, we understand that every second at work matters, and our mission has always been to streamline your medical documentation process and combat physician burnout. A few years ago, we started with a simple web platform that expanded dot phrases and templates. And thanks to your feedback, Chartnote has evolved. We added voice recognition and created a mobile app. And last year, we introduced our AI scribe, which transforms the conversation between you and your patient into an accurate clinical note. This year, we embarked on our most ambitious update yet, and today we're introducing Chartnote 2.0. We completely redesigned the platform from the ground up. Our interface is now more intuitive and user-friendly. Today, we're also launching Voice Chart, a new feature that uses AI to convert your dictated notes into a structured document. Our mobile app also got updated to reflect the changes we made on our web platform. The next few months will be even more exciting. We're upgrading to a smarter AI model in the coming weeks, rolling out customizable note templates next month, and later this summer, we'll be enhancing our EHR integrations. Your trust and privacy are very important to us. We're enhancing our commitment by obtaining third-party HIPAA certification. This certification will verify our security measures with details available on our trust portal for transparency and your peace of mind. Together, we're setting new standards in medical documentation to ensure you can focus on what matters most, your patients. Thank you for your ongoing support and happy charting.